Good morning to one and all present. I am Tishagan Potra.
And I'm Akshita of class 9B.
And today we've got the opportunity to present our group project
On the topic designing and how it impacts our world.
Before we start, I would like to introduce our creative team to you all. Before starting, I would like to ask you all a question. What do you actually mean by design?
Yes, any one of you can answer. What is designing?
Design something.
Yes, to design
That's
something.
Designing means creating a plan or a concept to solve different problems or to achieve a goal. Designing is a profound act of creativity that includes intention, imagination, and problem scoping to change the world around us.
But there's a problem. We often don't notice design until it is wrong. For example, raise your hand if you've ever came across a website that was impossible to navigate or a confusing instruction manual.
And have you used any manual for microwave or iron or something? Yes. Have you ever read it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So, do you feel keep when we see a YouTube link on that very same thing, it is easy to understand than to read the manual? Do you feel?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give one example? Any one of you, can you give example for any such thing? This was I purchased a laptop or I purchased a mobile. Yeah, say.
uh, we cannot solve cube by seeing only pictures. We can solve cube by seeing the whole video to guide that video guide us.
Yes, good. Any other example you want to share? So yes, Naman has given us a good example of designing.
Yes, of course. We have always been through this. The frustration, the moment of I don't get it is a design failure.
Great designs are often transparent because they just work. Designing isn't just about making things pretty. It's about functionality and how to solve problems.
So today we are going to share three types of designing with you all, which are animation designing, graphic designing, and fashion designing. First of them is graphic designing. Graphic designing is an ancient art or craft that is being used from a very long time. It includes a range of activities, including logo creation. Second of them is fashion designing. Fashion designing.
Can you give me one example of graphic designing which you remember of any website, any logo? Can you give example of any logo? Window. Yes, it is any other example? YouTube, Google. Any other answer? Manveer, what you are saying? BMW. Okay. Any other thing for designing? You feel any design which you feel very funny? Sorry? Snapchat. You feel that logo is funny? Okay.
Second of them is fashion designing. Fashion designing is the craft of creating clothing and accessories by putting in a creativity, imagination, uh, by putting in a creation, construction, and aesthetics.
Okay. Any fashion designer you know which you feel ki he make funny costumes? Or I feel ki I want to wear this costume, I want to be, I want to go and purchase this brand, this fashion design. Any answer among you? You want to go and purchase certain brand in jeans or top or dress? Give me answer, hurry up. Any brand? Sorry. Okay. Adidas, Lenskart, Nike, Puma, ठीक है. So that means you have some fashion sense. All of you have some fashion sense. Okay, you have named the brand. Can you name the founder of the brand? Now, if I say Nike, Adidas,
Ma'am, Adidas Club. Adidas is Adolf Adidas Club.
okay. Anybody else? Name any fashion designer you know, but you don't want to wear. Okay.
Next, we have animation designing. It is the art to illustrate graphics which are moving. It consists of both creative and technical skills.
For the next segment, we are going to hold a questionnaire round of guess the personality. You just have to name the personality if you know it by raising your hands.
First, we have a famous Malayali actor and a graphic designer.
Any idea about who he is?
No? Yes, you have to do the honor.
It is Anish Gopal. He has worked in Malayali films and he's an actor as well.
So, do you know about Queen of Indian Animation? Who she is? So, she is Gitanjali Rao. She is one of the most famous Indian animators.
The last one we have is a well-known fashion designer in the Bollywood industry. She's very famous.
Give some hint. Might, they guess might. And
She's pretty famous for creating many designs for Bollywood actors. No one?
That's a very obvious hint I'm giving you. Her name starts with N. N.
N.
First name starts with N and ends with A. It's Nita Rulla. Somebody just said it.
Who said it?
Yeah, I think.
Okay.
Just said it. He said Nita.
Okay.
So at last, I want to say that this presentation had a very profound impact on us. It taught us time management, patience, and teamwork. And we are so grateful to be a part of this project. Thank you so much.
We can clap for them.